Looks like it's working. Just to be more realistic, I've got a couple of other tabs open as well. So I'm going to go into web indexing where I already have some batches. It's Windows 10, Chrome. With my mouse, I click Open Batch. This is a review batch. I'm using my Enter key to get through step 1. I last did this project in table entry. Andrew, Barbera, Concord, Cabarrus, NC, Spear Cemetery, Rock River Church. So far I'm just looking at it. Now I'm going to start using my Enter key to get across all the fields. July 1, 1800. There's no parents. Shift Control right arrow to go to second image. Andrew D. Guilford, Buffalo Cemetery. I'm going to use Enter now. Well, I actually don't need to use the Enter key. There's just no more information. Shift Control right arrow to go to image 3. Andrew Elizabeth L. Greensboro, Guilford, NC, Alamance Presbyterian Church Cemetery. Stretch this up a little bit with my mouse. You still can't see the whole thing. Using my Enter key, February 15th, 1840, April 24th, 1897. Where was the age? Okay, age 57. I'm using my mouse now to drag the scroll bar at the bottom of my screen. Wife of J.M. Andrew. Okay, Alt-Q, Enter. Yes, I'm going to take a similar batch, but I'm not going to do it. As soon as it opens up, I'm going to use the first icon on the toolbar. I'm going to click with my mouse. I'll be back at web indexing. Now I'm going to open a batch that I already have. US Quick Batch, Florida, Miami, etc. Click with my mouse. We're in just this regular entry form like I usually do this project in. I think I'll go to full screen, F11. April 9, 1934, Finlay James Hamilton, W. Lothian, Scotland, 41 male. Page down key. Race, African. Ooh, you probably know I can't leave that small. I'm going to fix it. So I clicked, I corrected the small a to a capital A. I'm using my tab key to move on to the next field. Bahamas. Bimini, Bahamas, that's correct. Airplane is correct. Shift Control right arrow, going into card number 2. August 1, 1935, Finlay James Hamilton, West Lothian, Scotland, 45 male. Page down key. English, Bahamas, comma BWI, Bimini, comma Bahamas. This airplane name is not right. I'm clicking here, backspace. I'm going to correct that. NC space 22-K. Shift Control right arrow. Moving on to image 3, May 7, 1935. Finlay James Hamilton, West Lothian, Scott, 43 male. Page down key. Oh, I'm going to click there and fix that little E. Tab key. Bimini, comma Ba. No, chalk is not the right thing for the airplane. I clicked, I backspaced. NC 802. Literally pick up my magnifying glass. It looks like a 5. I'm going to click here again, make sure I get a space there. Alt-Q, enter. Now here's where we expect trouble. The first batch I did, that other project, was table entry. Then I did a Miami batch, the form entry. Now I'm taking another Miami batch. Click. I'm going to use my enter key to get through step 1. Enter, 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 enter. Bingo! It has switched to the table entry. It's going back to the batch before last. So I'm going to have to click on data entry and put it back to form entry because I just really want it in form entry.